my channel. Today I am in Satwa Museum and I will show you how to make a craft. Do you like it? Now let's get started. For the face mask, I need some item, fabric. I need 3 kind of fabric: color pen, scissor, clip, elastic, thread and needle, and paper. The first step, we make a pattern. We need a circle. Make a circle, the diameter 26, like this, and then you fold in half like this, and you fold again. This is the center, like this, and you take from this center to here 4 centimeter, and from the base here to here 8 centimeter. After that, you make a line. You connect this point to this point, like this, and then you cut this line. Like this. You open, and this is the pattern. After you have pattern, you cut the fabric, 2 kind of fabric. I choose the white color and batik, and I need, this is also 3 kind. For the first fabric, you cut the weight of 12 centimeter and the length of 31 centimeter. Also, the white color, the weight of 12 centimeter and the length of 31 centimeter. And then you put together this fabric and start sewing from here. Okay, make a straight line to here. Like this. The third fabric, this one, I need also the white color, and I keep first. And this pattern you copy on the fabric. For the third fabric, you fold like this, and you copy. This is for upholstery. You need 2. And for the main fabric, you fold this fabric. This is, and you copy. This is the center, and put the center, the line center here with this center like this, and you copy. You need 2. After you copy, you put together like this. This is the good side and this is a bad side. And start sewing from here to here. Also, for the main fabric, you start sewing from here to here. Okay. And then you open. This is the good side and this is a good side. You put together like this. This, and start sewing, but you give the space about 5 centimeter, and you start sewing from here, keep around until here. So this is, you can open it for turn the fabric inside out. After you turn the fabric inside out like this, and you start sewing for close here. Start sewing from here, keep around to here like this, and then you fold about 1.5 centimeter. Also the other side you fold like this, and start sewing from here to here. Prepare the elastic. This little elastic, and you need the length of 20 centimeter. You need 2. And then you insert the elastic like this, Also do the same process with the other side. And then you tie. Like this. And the combination mask has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.